already talk about everything, but we cannot forget this most important point, which is all about hydration. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshada and here I present my next video. So summer has officially arrived, and in today's video I am going to share some really healthy and useful tips. So summer has officially arrived and we need to protect ourselves from the sun as much as we can. So in today's video I am going to share some healthy tips with you all guys, so you can use them and protect yourself from this heat. And in this video I am going to talk about fashion, skincare and also some healthy habits, so keep watching. So the very first thing we need to keep in our mind while dressing for summer is to wear light color clothes. You cannot go for dark like black or brown or dark blue. You just need to stop wearing them and start using your light color clothing, and especially take your whites out and start wearing them, because summer is all about light color clothing. So basically during summer, wearing light color clothing is much important, as it does not absorb sun rays and it's good for your skin, and also it helps you to maintain your body temperature as they do not absorb sun rays. So light colors do not absorb sun rays as much as dark colors, so I'll suggest you to wear your light color clothing, and you can play with prints or texture, but definitely use light colors and not dark colors. So the second point to keep in mind while buying your summer clothes is all about loose fitted clothes. Loose fitting clothes are like really important because it allows your body to have good airflow and also good air circulation. So it just allows your skin to breathe, and when we wear extremely tight clothes or preferably tight clothes, it is not healthy suggestion especially while wearing it in summer. So I'll suggest you to wear preferably loose clothes and let your skin breathe, and it is gonna be that healthy airflow, so your skin is actually gonna breathe and keep you as calm and as cold as it can. So now comes the most important point. Doesn't matter if you are wearing light color or loose fitted clothing, but if you are not choosing correct fabric, which is definitely natural organic fabric, then you are definitely going to have some trouble. So definitely do pay attention to your clothing label and choose clothes which have like 100% cotton or 100% natural fabric over synthetic fabric. So do not use synthetic fabric during summer. I'll suggest you to go for cotton, linen or silk. The fabrics are very easy and they are extremely breathable to your skin. They literally absorb your sweat and allows airflow. I'll suggest you guys to go for natural fabric, and do pay attention while buying clothes. Okay, so next point is, I know some of you gonna really ignore this one. It's all about ditching your jeans during summer. Yes, jeans are made up of denim, and denim is one of the strongest and heaviest fabric which do not allow your skin to breathe as much normal fabrics do. So I'll suggest you to give your denims a little break, and instead of that you can start using cotton pants. Those are pants which are mostly wide legs and easy to breathe and which allows airflow. So I'll suggest you guys to use pants with wide leg, pants made up of cotton, linen, such fabrics. So give your denims a little break. And even if you want to use denim, I'll also suggest you go for wide leg denims. Nowadays very different types of denims are available in market, so go for your summer shopping and choose denims which are still preferably. You got my point. Next, so yes, I have explained why denims are not good for summers, but still if you want to use denims, go for wide legs one or mini summer pants which are also available in denims. So I'll suggest you to choose your denim wisely and go for it if you really want it. So I have opted out already so many options for you. So guys will be like, what is the exact option we should wear during summer? So yes, this is the answer. Go for summer dresses. There are different length, different patterns available in dresses which are specially designed for summer season. So I'll suggest you guys to go for summer dresses. They are extremely comfortable, allow air circulation as much as they can. if you don't want to wear dresses, you can also go for skirts. Wear your comfortable clothing as much as you can during summer, so which basically main agenda is to allow air circulation and keep yourself as calm as cold as you can. So I think we have already talked enough about summer clothing and fashion clothing and all that stuff. So now it's time to move to next point. It is about accessories. Yes, do not over accessorize yourself during summer. Try to use as lightweighted or as comfortable jewelry or accessories as you can during summers. If you are wearing heavy accessories or something which is you're not comfortable, especially during summer, it gonna rash your skin, it gonna be like itchy, sweaty and all that mess. So I'll suggest you to avoid using heavy accessories. Mind your accessories, or plan them in such a way they are very lightweight and easy for you to carry. And so yes, plan your accessories as wisely as you can, or use that minimalism funda during your styling your accessories. So as we have already talked about fashion clothing during summer, and also about wearing accessories, like minimalize your accessories and all that, it is also important to talk about makeup. Yes, I simply suggest you to do not wear loud or heavy makeup during summer, because it is eventually gonna melt. So yes, natural makeup is your best friend, and I know many of us cannot do that exact art of doing natural makeup, but yes, natural makeup is equally similar to wearing as less makeup as you can. So during summer, do not overdo your makeup. Use light makeup, use light foundation, or light moisturizer, and try to use as much sunscreen as you can, and protect yourself from the sun. I just want you to do not embarrass yourself, so I'll suggest you to wear as much lace makeup as you can. Use natural makeup, or do your little bit makeup, which is good to go, because whenever we step in sun, it is gonna oxidize, and it gonna melt on your face in a form of sweat and all, and it gonna end up well messy. So I do not want that, and so instead use as much light makeup as you can, and you are good to go. So during sunny summer days, it is important to take care of your hair, because your hair roots are gonna damage by that extreme sun rays. So I'll suggest you to wear scarves or cover your head as much as you can, and do this like such kind of hair do's which are up a bun, or something like braiding style, or just protect your hair and do not let them just free and wild during summer, because it is not gonna be there are after effects, because after summer you are gonna face such hair problems which are like completely horrible to explain. But I'll suggest you to protect your hair as much as you can and enjoy your summer. We have already talked about our hair, it is time to go to our feet. Yes, wearing extremely comfortable what we call footwear is equally important. So I'll suggest you to use white sneakers, or something that summer sandals where there is air circulation and your foot just don't get stinky and all. So wear whatever you are comfortable in, but use proper protection during your summer days, and use proper footwear during summer. Last but not least is all about hydration. Keep hydrating yourself as much as you can. If you are tired of just drinking normal water, try to have fruits with. Do hydrate yourself, keep drinking water, and stay healthy during this summer. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to like this video, share it with all your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll guys keep you posting. So keep watching, stay happy, and take care of yourself during this summer.